suu nga leen suyuloo leen dama believe ne if they are not directed pour def ko duñ ko def parce que ñoom itamit dañ leen abal but fu ñu leen ne xool leen fa la ñëw piito so duñ ko def loolu moom they have proven themselves trying to tell number
jalo de ko tan ko e fu mu de bara masura kan mo ba no mo e fu nyal
okay
adu ni mo e fu nyal na ñaate bu
na ko dami
fodi exactly loolu la so te ñoom proof nañ se bopp time to time number ne that's who they are why so ko seetloo tamit again stand to be corrected we can consult the legal minded people man dama feel ne sa Dawda warutoon a indiwaat lii nii as a fresh thing because already there is a ruling of the Supreme Court man dama believe ne Supreme Court supersedes even the parliament because parliaments can pass a law and it can be taken to the Supreme Court
for interpretation
to be effected to be effected or not so if they pass a law and then somebody challenges it at the Supreme Court whatever the Supreme Court says should stand and loolu lañ war a dugal ci biir law bi
no and in fact ne ara ma wax tuuti ci loolu ben tey rombut faatu you remember during 5th legislature dafa amoon loi buñ passé foofu Gambia participated yóbbu Parliament to court.
Yes.
And it was struck out.
Yes.
So be it.
That's true.
Action will be taken on this provision because Supreme Court ruling move. So it will not work. It will be replaced back to the bill.
Exactly.
It will be replaced back.
So that could happen.
We are going to take them to court.
Hold on.
We are going to take them. We have few names who are ready right now. We are going to file a case because we cannot just see things happening in this country like this. So Parliament must be active to start taking these people to court so that they control their behaviors.
Lolo mun na xew sax you can go to court and man I am confident ne so leen demee court you will prevail.
Supreme Court moom duñ dellu back si
wow exactly I believe ne you will prevail because it's clear black and white.
But it's implementation.
The implementation. But now also that we can handle that is if at all ne ñun the citizenry we are willing pare nañ we need to recognize ne power is in us. Diaspora bi nu ma ko waxee ay isi dañ leen abal but diaspora bi naka lañ ko xatee ñoo yore suñ but ñun fii underground at the end of the day measures has to be put in place ñu taxaw tànka yu dëgër it's either ngeen def luñ buga oo ñu yëngal dëkk bi
yes
loolu rek moo ci mun a ne nga and when I say yëngal dëkk bi
ñu ayee ñu suñ dundoy
waaw
boobu dina métti di
no nene
because privilege si ñoo am fii nii remittance si ñoo seen understand nga investment si ñoo def fii nii support si ñoo def fii ñu téye ko
non nene
ñu def loolu noonu
waaw nene